Hi guys, I'm Line from Hobbii, and today I want to show you how to make your own crochet tension regulator. All you have to do is place it on your index finger, pull the yarn through one of the windows, and just work as you usually would. This guy will regulate the tension for you, enabling you to create beautiful crochet pieces. You start by making a foundation chain that is long enough to fit around the top of your index finger. For me, that was 10 stitches. Then you need to make a slip stitch to the first chain stitch you made. Now you are ready to start round 1. Chain 1. This is going to count as a stitch, and now you simply put one single crochet into each stitch around. When you finally get to the end of the round, slip stitch to the chain 1 you made in the beginning, and now you're ready for round 2. For round 2, you're gonna chain 1 and make another round of single crochets. And make a slip stitch at the end of the round. It might be a good idea at this point to turn your work inside out, but it's optional. Round 3. Chain 3. This counts as the first double crochet. Put one double crochet into each stitch around. At the end, you will slip stitch to the chain 3 you made in the beginning of the round. Round 4. Chain 2 stitches. This counts as the first half double crochet. Put one half double crochet into each stitch around. When you get to the end of this last round, you will slip stitch to the chain 2 you made in the beginning of the round. Cut the yarn, weave in the ends, and you are done. Because we worked with 3 different stitches, we created these little windows that are different in sizes. This means that you can use this regulator with different yarn types. Just find a window that fits the thickness of the yarn you want to work with.